Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing of two small things that I got from Louis Vuitton. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So let's unbox this one first. Don't actually know which one this is. I placed two different orders on 2 different days, so let's see what this one is. It didn't come with a ribbon this time. I think that's the first time they didn't wrap it like that. And here's the receipt. Came with this tag. Oh, this is the tag that it came with. And this is the first time I've actually ordered something that had some kind of wrapping on it. So it says Louis Vuitton there. I'm just gonna take it out on the side. So this is the Voyage Extraordinaire Bandeau. Let's open her up. And this is what she looks like. This is in the color beige, I believe. Yeah, beige. It says right here, Voyage Extraordinaire. I like this because it reminds me of Hawaii. And I love that it has different animals. There's a tiger there, some butterflies, another turtle, and here's a cheetah. And on the other side is an elephant. And then in between there's like little luggages. Let's see the other side. On the other side, it has like the different bags, like the keep all. I think this is a Palm Springs mini backpack. And then there's a keep all right here. And I like that the side is like he's laying on top of the luggages. I thought I would put this on one of my bags because I don't really decorate my bags, but I figure why not. This would go great with a lot of my monogram pieces. So this is the second item I got. This is gonna be an SL chain. They did wrap this one. I don't know why one of them wasn't wrapped. So she comes in this little box, so tiny. This one's tied up real good. 1 second. Can you guess what it is? I mean, I'm probably gonna put it in the title, but it's a small SLK. So this is the This is the card holder daily in the damier azure print with the rose ballerine interior, which it looks like. It only has 3 card slots, 1 on each side and then 1 in the middle. She's pretty structured. She's not very flexible, I would say. And here's the SKU number. So the reason why I got this one is because I don't have that many pieces in the damier azure, and I love card holders, so I thought this would be a great addition to my pochette accessoire and my mini pochette. I also thought that this would be great for the spring and summer because of the light color and the pink. So thanks for watching my quick unboxing of the 2 things that I got from Louis Vuitton. See you guys next time. Bye.